How to use accessibility features on an LG phone. At LG, we're committed to providing accessible products for our customers. LG phones contain an array of options to help users with impaired vision, hearing, or reduced dexterity. Now we'll show you how to access those options. First, open Settings. Then tap on Accessibility. Review the types of accessibility options available, such as for vision, hearing, or motor and cognition. In each menu is a submenu that has multiple options that can be enabled to assist users in the ways they need. This level of customization makes it easier for users to have the assistance they need, without the hassles of features and functions they do not. If you need additional support, please visit lg.com/us/accessibility/mobile.